Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So you're on the hunt for a telephoto zoom and torn between the Canon EF-S 55-250mm and the Sigma 70-200mm F/2.8?
This is a tough one. It's a classic trade-off. Budget-friendly reach versus pro-level speed and image quality. Let's dive in.
The Canon 55-250mm is incredibly appealing because it's so compact. At just 13.1 ounces, it won't weigh you down during a long day of shooting. Imagine hiking with it. Barely noticeable.
True, but the Sigma 70-200mm, while heavier at just over 3 pounds, screams professional build quality. Think of it as a tank. Weather-sealed and ready for anything. Is that durability worth the extra weight for your needs? The Canon's 55-250mm range gives you that extra reach, perfect for capturing wildlife or your kids playing sports from the sidelines. You can really zoom in.
Exactly. But here's where the Sigma flexes its muscles.
That constant f/2.8 aperture on the Sigma is a game changer. Imagine shooting portraits with beautifully blurred backgrounds, even in challenging light. It's not just a zoom lens, it's a low-light champion. Plus, that shallow depth of field makes your subject pop.
Okay, but let's talk practicality. The Canon boasts image stabilization, which is crucial for handheld shots, especially at 250mm. What if you're shooting video without a gimbal?
Good point. But here's the low-light dilemma.
The Sigma's f/2.8 aperture lets in 8 tons more light than the Canon's f/4 to 5.6. This means you can shoot at lower ISOs in dim conditions, resulting in cleaner, less noisy images. Think indoor events or dusk landscapes.
True, but consider the price difference. You can snag a renewed Canon 55-250mm for around $199. While a renewed Sigma 70-200mm will set you back around $1,310. Is that extra stop of light really worth over $1,000?
It all boils down to your shooting style and budget.
If you prioritize portability, a longer reach for daytime shooting, and saving a significant amount of money, the Canon is a fantastic, budget-friendly choice. It's a great starter telephoto.
But if you crave professional-grade image quality, those dreamy backgrounds, and often find yourself shooting in low light, the Sigma's the clear winner, even with the extra weight and cost. Either way, you're getting a capable lens. Now go capture some amazing shots. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.